I can't see him coming down my eyes, so I gotta make the song cry. Song cry. So I gotta make the song cry. Good dude, I know you love me like cooked food, even though a nigga gotta move like a crook move. We was together on the block since free lunch. We should've been together having Four Seasons brunch. We used to use umbrellas to face the bad weather, so now we travel first class to change the forecast. Never in bunches, just me and you. I loved your point of view cause you held no punches. Still I left you for months on end. It's been months since I checked back in. We're somewhere in a small town, somewhere locking them all down. Wood grain, foreign change, armor rolled down. I can understand why you want a divorce now, though I can't let you know it. Pride won't let me show it. Pretend to be heroic, that's just one to grow it.
Я люблю тебя, малыш. И это все тебе, слышишь?
It's usually the beauty that attract me, but perhaps she was the right person. Her personality made me happy, and that's why I pursued her. I'm a dude to make maneuvers. If I choose her, then she with, cause my dick is long as a ruler. She may be kinda crazy, it's cool as long as I school her. I'm smooth as Grand Pooba, and I could charm a computer. For us to conversate, all it take to make an impression. Like a teacher lecturing, when I'm speaking, she taking lessons. But every time we argue and fight, I feel like I'm dying. Nobody perfect, but a honey roasted complexion close to perfection. Plus she got a body that could probably turn a gay man straight. To stay in shape, mommy started taking karate. So while she get it in the gym, running the treadmill, I'm running for Fed still, keep one in the head still. I be reminiscing, boo, missing you, that's dead real. Cause you nice in the bed and you nice with the hair skills. You awfully fine, I can't get you off my mind. I ain't frontin', yeah, I lost the dime.
I can't see him coming down my eyes, so I gotta make the song cry. I can't see him coming down my eyes, so I gotta let the song cry.
Я люблю тебя, малыш. И это все тебе, слышишь?
On repeat, the CD of Biggs, me and my bitch. Watching Bonnie and Clyde, pretending to be that shit. Empty gun in your hand, saying, let me see that clip. Shopping sprees, pull out your visa quick. Nigga had very bad credit, you helped me lease that whip. You helped me get the keys to that V.6. We was so happy poor, but when we got rich, it's when our signals got crossed and we got flipped. Rather mine, I don't know what made me leave that shit. Made me speed that quick. Let me see, that's it. It was the cheese, help them bitches get amnesia quick. I used to cut up they buddies, now they saying they love me. Used to tell they friends I was ugly and wouldn't touch me. Then I showed up in that dubbed out buggy, and then it got fussy and they don't remember that, and I don't remember you.
Я люблю тебя, малыш.